Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Cyberlink Power Director for Android when for whatever reason it messes up and it makes you sound like a chipmunk. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. I haven't gone ahead and changed the audio in any way, but this is what it keeps doing. As you can see, I sound like a chipmunk. Now, to fix this, you're going to go to Audio, and then SFX or Sound Effects, and then just simply click on the back arrow. And now if I play it again, and you can do the same for I sound normal. So that's a quick fix if you find that Cyberlink Power Director keeps making you sound like a chipmunk. Just simply go to Audio, go to Sound Effects, and then click the back arrow.